How to fix a phone number cannot be used for verification. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a phone number cannot be used for verification. Alright, so let's begin. There's a lot of reasons why you can't use a phone number for verification. But one of the most common reason is due to the fact that the phone number that you're trying to use for a verification method is already used in a different account. Now in this guide, I'm going to show you a quick fix. Let's start by opening the account where you use the phone number that you want to use on the other account. Now click on the phone number and here just click on the trash icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And here click on remove number to remove the number from your account. Now go ahead and open the other account where you want to use the number. And here click on the manage account button and you'll get redirected to your Google account settings. Now click on the personal info button and here look for the phone number field where you can add the phone number that you removed from the other account. Just click on the add now button and you'll get redirected to the page where you can add a phone number to your Google account. Now in this given field, just enter the phone number that you want to add on your account and click on next and click on get code. Now Google will send you a call to your phone number which you'll need to enter in this field to be able to confirm that the number that you're currently using on your account is yours. Once you're done entering the code, just click on the verify button and this number will be verified under your Google Gmail account. So that's basically how you can fix a phone number cannot be used for verification. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.